Hey guys, so I bought this super handy wood chipper off of Amazon. Got it delivered free to my front door, and it's pretty heavy, but I'm gonna open it up and assemble it here. I've trimmed a bunch of trees, and I just don't have any place to put the branches, so I needed something to mulch it up, and maybe I can put that mulch to some good use in the garden or something like that. So let me go ahead and get this thing open and get her together. So the one thing that I noticed here, it's got solid rubber tires, man. I hate aired up tires because you know aired up tires are gonna go flat. So 1+ right out of the box, solid rubber tires, no flats no more. All right guys, so I got oil in it, got gasoline in it. You see in the background here, I've been clearing some forest here, some Yaupon hollies, hard little trees, real hard wood, and just a real mess to deal with, but let's get it started and let's see if it'll do some wood. So we'll go to on position, choke on, fuel on. All right. A little bit bigger stick. It's about a 1.5 inch. Guys, boy, it eats through that hard wood, that Yaupon holly, like nothing. I need some gloves because the vibration is just really intense on the hands, but it had no trouble getting that tree that big around. Just ate it up, no problem. You got to trim the little branches off because the throat, it just gets stuck in there, but it eats it up and turns it into nice little mulch here, which you could use for other things around the garden or anything like that. Nice little chunks, not big chunks, nice little chunks, very usable. So I'm pretty impressed with the little deal. It's smaller than I thought it was, but it's got plenty of power. So, all right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up under the video to let me know this video has helped you out.